Welcome to Earth Decoded. In today's video, we'll explore the top 10 most uninhabitable places on Earth. Stay with us until the end, because our number one location is one of the most hostile environments ever discovered on our planet. Let's begin. At number 10 is Socotra Island, one of the most extraordinary places on Earth. Located in the Arabian Sea, about 350 kilometers south of mainland Yemen, this isolated island has often been described as the most alien-looking place on our planet. Around one-third of its plant species exist nowhere else in the world, making it a living museum of evolution. The island's most famous landmark is the dragon blood tree, an umbrella-shaped tree that produces a deep red sap once believed to have magical properties. Walking through Socotra feels like stepping onto another planet, with bizarre landscapes unlike anywhere else on Earth. Although small communities live along the coastline, much of the island remains almost impossible to inhabit. Because of its unique biodiversity and untouched beauty, UNESCO declared Socotra Island a World Heritage Site. Scientists consider it one of Earth's most valuable natural laboratories, preserving species that have survived in isolation for millions of years. Coming in at number 9 is the Atacama Desert in northern Chile, the driest non-polar desert on Earth. Stretching over 1,000 kilometers along South America's Pacific coast, this incredible landscape is so dry that some areas have gone decades without receiving measurable rainfall. Scientists often compare the Atacama to the surface of Mars because of its barren terrain, salt flats, and almost lifeless environment. The desert experiences intense sunlight during the day, freezing temperatures at night, and an almost complete absence of water. These extreme conditions make permanent settlement nearly impossible across much of the region. Despite its harsh environment, the Atacama hides breathtaking natural wonders. Vast salt plains, colorful lagoons filled with flamingos, steaming geysers, and some of the clearest night skies on Earth attract scientists, photographers, and travelers from around the world. At number 8 is one of the world's most terrifying islands, Snake Island, officially known as Ilha da Queimada Grande. Located about 35 kilometers off the coast of Brazil, this small island has earned its frightening reputation because it is home to thousands of venomous snakes, including the critically endangered golden lancehead viper. Scientists believe these snakes became trapped on the island thousands of years ago when rising sea levels separated it from the mainland. The venom of the golden lancehead is incredibly powerful, making it one of the most dangerous snake species in the world. Because of the high concentration of venomous snakes, the Brazilian government has strictly prohibited public access to the island. Only authorized researchers and the Brazilian Navy are allowed to visit under special permission. Today, Snake Island remains one of Earth's most dangerous natural environments. While its dense rainforest appears peaceful from above, nearly every step could bring you face to face with one of the world's deadliest reptiles. At number 7 stands the highest point on Earth, Mount Everest. Rising an incredible 8,849 meters above sea level in the Himalayas, Everest is the ultimate challenge for mountaineers from around the world. Every year, hundreds of climbers attempt to reach its summit, but only after months of preparation and careful acclimatization. The greatest challenge isn't just the freezing temperatures or powerful winds, it's the lack of oxygen. Near the summit, the air contains only about one-third of the oxygen available at sea level. This region is known as the death zone, where the human body slowly begins to shut down. Temperatures often fall below -40 degrees Celsius, while hurricane-force winds can exceed 160 kilometers per hour. Because of these conditions, no one can live permanently on the mountain. Despite its dangers, Mount Everest continues to inspire adventurers from every corner of the globe. Standing at the top of the world remains one of humanity's greatest achievements, but surviving there for long is simply impossible. At number 6 is one of the hottest places ever recorded on Earth, Death Valley, located in eastern California, USA. This vast desert basin stretches for more than 225 kilometers and is famous for its extreme temperatures, dramatic landscapes, and mysterious natural phenomena. In July 1913, Death Valley recorded an astonishing air temperature of 56.7 degrees Celsius, one of the highest ever measured on Earth. During summer, the ground itself can become hot enough to fry an egg, while the surrounding mountains trap scorching air, creating a natural heat chamber. Rainfall here is incredibly rare, often less than 50 millimeters a year. Despite these harsh conditions, Death Valley is surprisingly beautiful. Visitors are amazed by colorful canyons, towering sand dunes, vast salt flats, and unique rock formations that seem almost otherworldly. One of the valley's greatest mysteries is the sailing stones at Racetrack Playa. Although a few small communities exist near the national park, surviving in the heart of Death Valley without modern technology is nearly impossible. It remains a powerful reminder of nature's ability to create beauty and danger at the same time. We've only reached number 6, and we've already explored some of the most extreme places on Earth. But the most unbelievable locations are still ahead. In part 2, we'll visit a mysterious blood-red lake where almost nothing can survive, a volcanic landscape that looks like another planet, the most remote island on Earth, and finally, the number 1 most uninhabitable place on our planet. If you're enjoying this journey, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Earth Decoded, and click the notification bell so you never miss an adventure. I'll see you in part 2.